A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for house. I for ice. J for juice. K for kiwi. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for swan. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.